Hi, I'm John and this is Up for Excel. We want to turn this into some kind of a chart. Highlight the area and push Alt F1 and that will produce a chart in the same sheet that you're currently in. Now I'll just go through one other point because maybe you want to do this manually. I'm just going to delete that chart there so it doesn't confuse things. So say for example we do the same thing with just the sales. So we've got our sales chart. We've now been given the profit numbers and we want to add them on. You'll see that as soon as you have a chart selected, a new toolbar appears. I'm just going to move that over there so we can make it a bit larger. So in the design toolbar, the select data button. So if you click on the select data, you can see you've automatically got your chart range and it's coming up here and it's showing it sort of highlighted. Now we could just change that chart range to there, sorry, to here for example, right? And then you can see the chart is automatically updating above to now include the profit. So incredibly simple, but if the profit was somewhere else, for example, we could if we leave that how it was, we can manually enter, add a series, and we can either type in a name, or in this case, I'm just going to click on the name. And then again on the series values, we click on that button and we just highlight the numbers that we want to add. And you can see straight away it's put them on and we're back in the same kind of position that we were in a minute ago. So we'll do okay. Now you can see that it's recognized this area, that these areas are all connected. So it's just joined them up and we're there anyway.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit subscribe for plenty more tips and tricks on Up for Excel. I'll see you soon.